Hi everyone, I am taking you guys back to my childhood. Okay, this lovely green mango, I'm gonna make some pepper pot. I went to live in Westmoreland when I was like about 14, 14, and this was introduced to me. You can make it with mango or June plum, mainly any fruit you want, because some people use apple, OTT apple, any fruit at all you want to use, but mainly this is made with green mango or tern mango or June plum, green June plum or the tern one. It's not too ripe and it's not too green. Yeah, but this is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. It depends on who make it for you. It don't have to be overly spicy, but we call this pepper pot. If you grew up in Westmoreland, you know what I'm talking about. But some people like it with the real hot pepper. I'm using 2 peppers today. This pepper is gonna give it the flavor, and this one is gonna bring the heat just a little. But Tash has been asking for pepper pot, and I made one the other night and she said it wasn't enough because I used 1 mango. Actually I was making it for myself, but she was like, every time I make something nice I make like a bit, so alright, I make this for her now. I'm using 2 mangoes, so when she gets home she can enjoy. But if you grew up in anywhere else other than Westmoreland and you know this as pepper pot as well, let me know, because my sister went to Kingston to live, and when she went there and she was telling her friends about pepper pot, no one knew what she was talking about, and she was like, what, are you crazy? But ever since she make it for them, it's like they keep on asking for more. But as I said before, it depends on who make it. Some people make it, you can't eat it none at all. You'll it burn you. But I'm not making it that spicy. All the seed, just drop the seed in there. So see there, 2 mango. Now we have this lovely pepper, smell good. Watch out, mango seed. And you can cut up the pepper big so that people can see it and pick it out if they don't want to have it. My sister used to just let the pepper sit in the vinegar and eat it as is. Me not so brave. I am not that brave, but trust me, it tastes good. If you haven't tried it before, give it a try. And if you live anywhere else other than Westmoreland and you grew up on this, let me know in the comment section. But I know a lot of people is gonna say, pepper pot, what's that? And I know other Caribbean countries as well, they have pepper pot, but it's not fruit. It's nothing like this. It's different. So they probably have this as well. I'm probably call it different name. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But I'm adding some vinegar on there, and I'm not doing any measurement, guys. Just eyeballing. Black pepper. And salt. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. You can use a spoon if you want. Smell good. Anytime black pepper, salt and vinegar mix with pepper, anytime they meet each other, anytime those 4 things come together with any type of fruit, tastes good. Make sure everything mixes in and you can taste it as you go along to see if it has enough salt or enough spice. But guess what, it's not done yet, you know. You gotta let it sit and absorb the flavor from the pepper and the vinegar. Trust me. Right now, I know that Daniel watching her mouth run water. Well, you know, we have to taste this. Probably cut it up too big, you know. I don't quick. Need a little more salt. Yeah, man, the pepper kick. Put a little more vinegar. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit and soak. And when Tash comes, she's gonna have a ball. Everybody in this house eat pepper pot. Well, maybe not my husband. And get all and full of pepper. So the juice that's left back in the bottom after you eat all the mangoes, trust me, top tier. Smells so good. When I'm mango time, even school gate, you can't get this to buy. There you have it. Smells so good, guys. I have to leave this for leave it to soak up all of the nice goodness, and then you can enjoy it. Tastes so good. This make me want to go home. And that's your mango time. What fruit is down here now? Apple season. I think apple season is coming in now. We can make this with apple, mango, June plum. June plum is when? December? I think down in October, September, October. I'm not sure, but I think June plum always. June plum, probably June plum time now. Yeah, I think it's June plum time now. But try it out if you never tried before. Grab you some turn mango or green mango, or some June plum, some apple, whatever fruit you want to use. But those are the three. The mango, June plum are the two major ones. Then you have apple. And people, Westmoreland people crazy when they come onto pepper pot, so they probably use any fruits. But you try it with June plum or mango if you've never tried it before. Those two, any one of those two, and come back and tell me in the comment section, because I know you're gonna love it. Don't make it too spicy if it's your first time. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Just cover it up and let it soak. Until later. Later will be greater.